Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add currency converter in Shopify. Firstly, go to Shopify App Store and search for currency converter. You'll see many options. Look for those with strong reviews, active support, and compatibility with your store theme. Some popular choices include Best Currency Converter, Auto Currency Switcher, or Geolocation by Shopify. Visit the Best Currency Converter app page, then click Install button. Now review the permissions and click Install app again. Choose your plan. The free plan lets you add up to 5 currencies, perfect for testing. Now once installed, you'll be redirected to the app's setup screen. You want to select which currencies you want to display, choose how and where the converter appears, and adjust the display format like symbol, position. And that's it, guys. Now visit your online store, use the currency selector to switch between currencies and test your store. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.